And it's dark outside. Pretty much see my whole backyard. See the house, the tree, up in the tree. Brightest setting. Closer to the house. Really impressive light so far. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm in the process of building my new fence, so pardon the mess I have back here. And my dog came back. Good boy. No. What do you think, puppy? Hey, what do you think? What do you think, boy? You having a good time? You having a good time? Are you having a good time? Sit. Sit, boy. Hey, sit. Good boy. Give me 5. Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Okay, come on. He's a good boy. Just wish he'd listen to me a little more. And we're going back to the house, and we're gonna call it a night.